2024 Hummer EV SUV starting at $79,995. The 2024 GMC Hummer EV SUV is an all-electric reimagining of one of the most iconic badass off-road machines of the last century. While the Hummer brand now lives under the GMC umbrella, its unmistakable design and remarkable off-road capabilities are faithfully upheld in EV form. In fact, the latter will arguably be even more impressive thanks to the SUV's advanced technology, incredible power output, and innovative features, including four-wheel steering, enabling the much ballyhooed crab mode. The most interesting aspect of the reinvented Hummer is its Ultium battery tech, which provides quick charging times and a massive battery pack that provides an estimated range of 300+ miles. Inside the cabin, it is visually identical to its pickup truck counterpart, with a mix of high-tech content and removable roof panels that create an open-air experience. What's new for 2024? Following in the tire marks of the new Hummer EV pickup, which will start production about 2 years earlier, the upcoming SUV version will offer a different body style with a shorter wheelbase when the first editions begin reaching GMC dealerships in early 2023. Unfortunately, the 2024 Hummer EV SUV won't go on sale for another couple of years, but GMC has released pricing and is currently accepting reservations. If we were to place an order, we'd choose the EV2X that adds desirable features compared with the base model, which won't be available for about a year after the EV2X engine, transmission, and performance, based on the Hummer EV pickup truck and hinted at by the superscript in their model names. The SUV version will be powered by 2 or 3 electric motors. The EV2 and EV2X have the dual motor setup that generates an estimated 625 horsepower and what GM is claiming to be 7,400 pound-feet of torque. The EV3X and the Edition 1 have a trio of motors, 1 up front and 2 out back, with a claimed 830 ponies and 11,500 pound-feet. However, we've already explained why those incredible torque claims are misleading. We expect actual maximum torque ratings to range between 1,000 and 1,100 pound-feet. The most powerful Hummer EV SUV also has a claimed 0 to 60 mph time of approximately 3.5 seconds, which is seriously quick for a machine this big and heavy. Compared with the pickup truck, the SUV has a shorter wheelbase, 126.7 inches versus 135.6, which should make it more maneuverable in parking situations and out on the trails. It'll also inherit our favorite off-road goodies from the truck version, including four-wheel steering with crab walk and an adjustable air suspension with extract mode that can raise it 6 inches.